Evolve FM is the modern control center for facility maintenance operations. It creates a single, connected workflow for frictionless request intake, intelligent scheduling, and automated inventory management. The system manages demand maintenance and preventative maintenance, both unified through a powerful work order engine. Evolve FM is built for the entire operations team, providing a simple, frictionless experience for occupants while offering robust, data-driven tools for maintenance managers. Evolve's concurrent licensing model ensures budget-friendly scalability. A single license from your pool services unlimited users who can submit requests at any time from any device. With omni-channel intake, you can capture work requests through web portals or email and add photos when needed. This ensures management gets the structured data they need without inconveniencing users. The life cycle of a work order is streamlined from start to finish. Whether it's a repair or routine maintenance, the system keeps all stakeholders informed. Evolve includes a mandatory review buffer. This allows you to filter out duplicates or unnecessary tasks, ensuring your maintenance schedules remain protected and efficient. Preventative maintenance is fully automated. By using meter readings, asset locations, or time-based schedules, the engine creates work orders without human intervention. The command center offers intelligent scheduling. Use drag-and-drop routing and color-coded calendars to balance immediate actions with long-term planning. Our inventory ecosystem unifies parts, assets, and loaners. This allows you to solve problems on the first trip, regardless of whether you need a minor part or a total replacement. This system features automated reordering. When inventory hits a set threshold, the system flags it for reorder, allowing managers to export vendor-ready lists without manual audits. Evolve FM creates a closed loop of operations, turning daily maintenance into strategic data automatically and without extra administrative effort. Discover the practical alternative to enterprise facility management systems. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about how Evolve FM can optimize your facility operations.